What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Juan back with another video. Here's how I made $1,000 trading the Nasdaq this morning and secured a 1.4K payout. All right, took this short position, caught roughly 40 points. I wanted to target London's lows. This was my drawn liquidity, but price was taking its sweet ass time to get in there. I, took some partials over here, and then I just trailed to break even. Not to break even, I'm sorry, I trailed somewhere around here as some fair value gap here, and I got stopped into profit. But my real target was these London's lows. Let me give you a top down analysis and break down this fucking nice trade. All right, so a market opening, we have this London's highs around here at 7 a.m. that we never swept, which was very tricky, and we have these data lows that I was targeting, assuming if I wanted us to get a sweep of these highs and then reverse. Right, we don't have any high time frame PDA rate confluence over here. We don't have any high time frame for value gaps because price ended up coming all the way up almost to all times highs again. Right, from yesterday we ended up rallying up. So my liquidity, all I'm going off today was liquidity. These London's highs and these data lows around here. We do have this 15-minute bullish for value gap here that price could tap and use the support, but my execution was on this short. So at market opening, 9:30, somewhere here, we almost swept London's highs. So you guys can see we almost swept it, but then reversed. We started chopping in this range. In this range, meaning we're not sweeping these highs or we're not sweeping these lows. We're just consolidating here. Came back down and then again came up. Didn't sweep this London high that I wanted to see sweep, but at least we swept this internal high around here, creating a bullish SMT at these highs at least, right? But here, after we swept this internal high, I got a 1 minute inverse for value gap. This imbalance got inversed, and that's when I enter on the shorts. Enter right here with two contracts, scaled half of my position around here at this low around here, secured 600, and then price came coming down more and trailed somewhere around here. But my full take profit was here. Beautiful fucking trade. I ended up cashing 40 points right around here. Full TP was here. I ended up catching just around 40 points and made up about $1,000 on this trade using two contracts and scaling out of positions. Okay, my confluences in this trade was we failed to sweep London's highs. We swept this internal high around here and we displaced the fuck down. The change in the state of delivery was truly my confluence into this trade. And if we zoom into the higher time frames, there is just so much potential for shorts, right? Like we have been just displacing up for so long. I would love to see a lot of this sell side liquidity get taken. Like there's so much sell side liquidity around here. Price overextended yesterday, and I was super fucking bearish for the day. And as you guys can fucking see, the shorts paid. All right, the shorts paid 40 points here. Not mad at this trade at all. S&T at these highs. I failed to sweep these highs, but swept this one. Inverse for value gap here on the 1 minute. Imbalance got inverted. Entry at this IFEG. Targeting opposing liquidity, 40 points, exited at this internal low because we were having trouble and we were very choppy before sweeping on this low. You guys got it. Here are the performance stats. By ensuring your wins incur bigger profits than your losses can incur losses, you will always come out ahead in the long run. And here you guys get a 1.4K payout, which I will also document and show you guys. Don't worry about losses. I mean, this loss was a fucking bad day. I lost more than I intended to, but my win rate honestly speaks for it. It made up for it, and my risk management got me here. Plain and simple. All right, boys. Here's how I made $1,000 trading the Nasdaq this morning, and here is how I secured a 1.4K payout. Not bad. Good day. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Let's go.